सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. ॐ पेज 145 verse 31. निर्ध्यातुं चेष्टितुं वापि यच्चित्तं न प्रवर्तते निर्निमित्तमिदं किन्तु निर्ध्यायति विचेष्टते. Ashtavakra giving the description of a wise person, how he conducts himself in the world. A wise person is one who never tried to do any meditation. Meditation is a sadhana to focus our mind to get chitta ekagrata. What is the definition of dhyanam? Sajatiya pratyaya anant vijatiya pratyaya anantarita sajatiya pratyaya pravaha. Vijatiya means dissimilar, pratyaya means thought, anantarita means without. In meditation, you have to avoid dissimilar thoughts. As you are practicing meditation, dissimilar thoughts, unconnected thoughts, avoid. Vijatiya pratyaya anantarita. Then what I have to do? Sajatiya pratyaya pravaha. Pravaha means flow. Sajatiya pratyaya means similar thoughts. Similar thoughts I have to continue like a taila dharavat. Ajya dharaya shrotasa samam sarala chintanam viralatah param. The same definition written by Ramana Maharshi in Upadesha Sara. Ajya dharaya shrotasa samam sarala chintanam viralatah param. Definition of this sutra. Sutra means definition of vijatiya pratyaya anantarita sajatiya pratyaya pravaha. He kept in that Upadesha Sara sloka. So Jnani is free from this type of dhyanam. Pratyayam itself is mithya for him. After attaining knowledge, there is no necessity of either samadhi abhyasa rupa nididhyasana, even brahmabhyasa rupa nididhyasanam also not required. But still his life is like full meditation only. Only ignorant people continue that sadhana, the meditation sadhana. Jnani need not sit separately in meditation, dhyanam pannindirkar. They ask me, Swamini, are you doing dhyanam? Am I disturbing you or in meditation? Like that they ask students. So, upon whom I have to do meditation? Suppose, after studying Shastra for a length of time, everyone recognize they are Atma Swarupam. If they are reasonably did Shravanam, they recognize. Once I am Atma, meditating upon whom I have to meditate? There is no necessity of meditation. Therefore, there is no dhyana pravartakam. There is no necessity of dhyanam. Therefore, he says, yat chittam nirdhyatum cheshtitum api pravartate. Whose mind goes towards meditation and all, but there is no motive for him. His life itself is a meditation. There is no separate meditation. Yoga way of life, meditative way of life. Meditative way of life means what? It is difficult for him to forget that Atma Swarupam. For Ajnani, it is difficult to remember. For a Jnani, it is difficult to lose sight of the Atma Swarupam because Yasyaiva Spuranam Sadatmakam. As the thought arises, who is evident? As the thought arises, Pratibodha Viditam Matam. Where? Kenopanishad. In every thought, I, the consciousness, am available. How can I miss my nature? So, understand that thought by itself is inert. It is moving from one thought to another thought, another thought because of me, the consciousness. I, the awarer of that coming, going thoughts. I, the awarer, am witnesser, awarer of the coming, going thoughts. Appadi irukkanum. Dhyanam pannina, what they do? Dhyanam chitta vritti nirodhaha. Control of the mind, control of thoughts. Is it necessary for a Jnani? Not necessary. Therefore, he won't sit particularly, never have that type of sadhana. There is, even meditation is also not easy. There is some sort of strain, effort is there. You have to sit Padmasana, you have to sit straight. So, Samankaya Siro Grivam. Idella kashtam. No, Kannu Mudina Talavali varum first. And the mother exertion theva illanna. As a sadhaka, you can continue. There is no necessity of doing. As he is living, doing, that chintan itself, chintana also won't be there. Why chintana? Ennada pandrar avaru? Unnume panna maatar. Then what? As prarabdha comes, like dry leaf, remember that? As prarabdha comes, just it goes. There is no strain in that life. There is no strain, there is no pain, very calm, cheerful and relaxed. And cheerful sollakudadu. It belongs to Priya Moda Pramoda. So there is no elation, there is no depression, nothing. Next shloka we will read, 32. Tattvam yatharthamakarnyam mandah prapnoti mudhatam athava yati sankocham amudha kopi mudhavat. Mandaha, a dull person or ignorant person. Mandaha yathartham akarnya. Yathartha tattvam akarnya. Having heard Shastra many years, Yathartha tattva means reality, the nature of Atman. Yathartha tattvam akarnya. Tattva means reality. Yathartha means yathartham, exactly as it is. As it is means what here? Yathartha tattvam akarnya means having heard, not assimilated. Okay. Prapnoti mudhatam. Mudhatam prapnoti. He becomes what? More confused after listening to Shastra. What is the reason? Lack of qualification. Lack of qualification. What qualification? BA or MA or MBA? No. Qualification is nothing but sadhana chatushtaya sampatti. Lack of faith in Shastra, Shraddha. Lack of faith in Shastra, Shraddha. There are problems called samshaya and viparyaya. Samshaya means when Guru says Jagat Mithya Brahma Satyam, how can the world can become mithya. Sandeha. Is these words uttered by Guru are true? Are they true? Sandeha. Samshaya. That is called apramanya buddhi. There is no pramanya buddhi in Shastra. Once the statement comes from my teacher's mouth, yes, my intellect is not accepting. But I have to say, Ama, Ama, Cholano. But Ashraddhavan never say. Still the doubt comes. Nambinal keduvadillai ennar. Fake it and make it. My Guru says it is true. Whatever Guru says from the Shastra, Shastra says true. The Samshaya should not be there. Sandeha should not be there. I have to doubt my intellect. How these words of my Guru can be true? அந்த மாதிரி சந்தேகமே வரக்கூடாது. எந்த அளவுக்கு போகணும்னா அவர் எது சொன்னாலும் கரெக்டுன்னு சொல்லணும். அந்த அளவுக்கு போகணும் ஃபஸ்ட்டு. அதுக்கப்புறம் உனக்கு கொஞ்சம் புரிஞ்சதுக்கப்புறம் அவர்கிட்ட கேட்கணும். ஃபஸ்ட்டு டவுட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. Because our intellect has to refine a lot. Suppose I have sandeha, one problem, then viparyaya comes. Because of these sandehas, lot of doubts are there as I am listening. What happens? My intellect is blocked. Further teaching will not enter inside. Enna ange first step laye blocked. That intellect is not allowing the next teaching. Like that, listening for a length of time, suppose. என்னதா சொல்றான்னு கேட்டுட்டே இருக்கான். என்ன இருக்குன்னா விபரீத பாவனா கண்டினியூஸ். அனாத்மனி ஆத்ம புத்திஹி விபரீத பாவனா. Therefore, that person is called மூடஹா. In spite of listening, clarity வரத்துக்கு chances கிடையாது. Cause is samshaya leads to viparyaya. That is why you require tremendous punya. Why they say Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwaraha, you understand now? Shraddha. Shastratla Shraddha. What we know, whole thing is wrong. So, this Shastra statement is attacking your conviction, your understanding, what you have previously. What Shastra talking is entirely opposite. Therefore, that already formed vasanas will not allow these Shastric statements. That tug of war continues. Some people silently, some people loudly. Silently they struggle inside. Some people won't struggle and they just walk off. இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு வேண்டாப்பா போயிடுவான். But some people, they require tremendous patience. Intellect rejects first because of previous vasanas. I cannot accept. I cannot. Our intellect needs a lot of immunity. Shastra is the immunity. You go on pills pottuvanle immunity kaha tablets. For immunity sake this tonic, that tonic. So Shastra is the best tablet, medicine, tonic to bring immunity to your intellect. Just as doctors they talk about body immunity. Now what immunity we have to talk? Intellectual immunity. Bhagavan, until I understand clearly, keep me with Shastra. This prayer daily continue. Until I understand Shastra clearly, exactly, please keep me with Shastra and Guru. This is very important prayer. That's what he says. Many people, mandaha, yathartham akaranya, tattvam akaranya, having heard what? Stula Sukshma Karana Srirat Vitiriktaha Sachidananda Swarupaha Akarnya Mandaha Mudhatam Prapnoti. Mudhatam na Samshaya Viparyaya continues. Never assimilate the Shastra, no internalization. நோ இன்டர்னலைசேஷன். சாஸ்திரம் பாட்டுக்கு சாஸ்திரம் இருக்கும், ஸ்காலர்ஷிப்பாக இருக்கும், மண்டையில் இருக்கும், எல்லாமே இருக்கும். ஸ்லோகாஸு கண்டா பாட்டம் பைஹார்ட் பண்ணுவான், எல்லாமே தெரியும், சந்தி தெரியும், எங்கே பிரிக்கிறதோ தெரியும், எல்லாமே தெரியும். இது ஃபஸ்ட்டு கேஸு, செகண்ட் கேஸு, தேர்ட் கேஸ் எல்லாமே தெரியும். கிராமர் தெரியும், எட்வர்ப் என்ன தெரியும், அவ்வியம் எல்லாமே தெரியும். ஒன்றும் தான் தெரியாது. அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி. அதுதான் மூடதாம். Lord Krishna said in the 7th chapter, Manushyanam sahasreshu kaschit yatati siddhaye yatataamapi siddhanam kaschinmam veti tattvataha. That's why after coming to Shastra also there is a possibility of moodhatan. Otherwise, how come the other systems of philosophies are coming? Sankhya, Yoga, Nyaya, Vaiseshika. All these philosophies, they are establishing what? Akarnya மூடதம் பிராப்னோதி. ப்ரூஃப் எல்லாம் படிச்சிருந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் புத்தி வக்கரமாக போயிடும். வக்கரமாக போய் மை ஓன் ஃபிலாசபி అని வந்துடும். They have followers, they have students, they are scholars in that Visishtadvaita, Dvaita, so many systems of philosophy. How they are coming? Akarnya తత్వం, యథార్థ తత్వం ఆకర్ణ్య మూఢతాం ప్రాప్నోతి అన్నారు. అథవా యాతి సంకోచం అసమ్మూఢ కోపి మూఢవత్. ఇది అనదర్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమిటీ. ఓరి ఎక్స్ట్రీమిటీ ఆఫ్టర్ కమింగ్ టు శాస్త్ర సమ్ పీపుల్ బికమ్ మూఢాః. ది పర్సన్ అనదర్ పర్సన్ అథవా ఆర్ రెండు ఛాన్సెస్ இருக்கு. సమ్ పీపుల్ గో அவுட் ஆஃப் ட்ராக். நான் தானே பிரம்மன், எல்லாமே நான் தானே, ஆனால் காவோ பீவோ மஜா கரோ அப்படியெல்லாம் பண்ணுவான். அதர் எக்ஸ்ட்ரீமிட்டி, பிஹேவிங் லைக் ஏ டல் பர்சன், லைக் தட். another person who understands properly what he does, kopi amudhaha moodhavatu sankocham yati. After listening, he comes to know that it is very tough, very very tough. So he alone knows or she alone knows what is satyam, what is the truth, but behaves like as though he do not know anything. Moodhavat, moodhavat means as though they do not know anything. They knows the truth, they know the truth, aham brahmasmi, but in the society they behave as though they do not know anything. ஸோ டூ எக்ஸ்ட்ரீமிட்டிஸ் ரிசம்பிள்ஸ் சேம் அன்னார். அவனும் மூடனும் ஒரு மாதிரி இருப்பான், இவருக்கு புரிஞ்சு ஒரே மாதிரி இருப்பான். அதனால பீப்புள் cannot understand who is a ஞானி. That's why those மூடாஸ் we take them as ஞானிஸ். those மூடாஸ் ஆல் எக்ஸ்ட்ரீமிட்டிஸ் பண்ணின்னு இருப்பா பாருங்க. ஒரு வாட்டி அவருக்கு ரொம்ப ஞானம் என்ன இவர் மாதிரி உன்மத்தவத்தன்னு some places they say no. That is why you cannot know who is Gnani. Outside it is not appearing, no? It is not a thing to see outside. So he says, Moodhavat kopi sankocham yati means he withdraws from the society, people, and he is not showing it outside. Sankocham yati. Sankocham means what? Not having much interactions, transactions. Idella theva illa namakku. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಜ್ಞಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯಂ, ಅವಿದ್ಯಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಂ అని ಹಿ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾಸ್. ಮೂಢಃ ಅನ್ನಿ ಅವನು ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ, ಇವರು ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಜ್ಞಾನത്തോடு ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ, ಇವರ ಜ್ಞಾನത്തോடு ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ. ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾವಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಜ್ಞಾನಂ, another one is without jnanam. There is a difference. Next shloka we will read. Shloka 33. Ekagrata nirodho vam मूढैरभ्यस्यते भृशम् धीराः कृत्यं न पश्यन्ति सुप्तवत् स्वपदे स्थिताः. Contrast. There are ignorant people who work for ekagrata. Ekagrata means Ashtanga Yoga Abhyasa. Ashtanga Yoga Abhyasa, 8 steps. Yama Niyama Asana Pranayama Pratyahara Dharana Dhyana Samadhi. That steps ekagrata. Nirodha means sense control. Chitta vritti nirodha. They practice. Who are they? Moodhaihi abhyasyate bhrisham. Moodhaihi means dull. People means ignorant people. Ignorant people. Moodhaihi. Repeat. Bhrisham means always, repeatedly. Punaha punaha. Again and again they practice either mind control or sense control, focusing. All this they go on doing on and on. Because they think Atma is that we have to get a light, like some vision. I have to see Atma. Why they do all this type of practice? Everyone want to get Atma darshanam. Why they commit mistake? Because everyone expect Atma as an object they want to perceive. Atma darshanam. The word darshanam means what? I want to see. So for darshanam's sake, what they do? Do sadhanas. One day, I come across the Atma. Unnak Atma darshanam aidutha. Have you got Atma darshanam? Epponna. So and so muhurtam also they say. That means Atma darshanam is moksha. Seeing Atma is moksha for them. Realizing Atma, self Atma sakshatkara. They use the word sakshatkara means realization. Sakshatkara manana kannala paakanu. That means what? A particular time it is an event for them. Moksha, Atma sakshatkara is an event that which happens at a particular time. That means what? It is a goal. It is a sadhyam. They are going to get that. What you get will go away. What Vedanta says? Atma darshanam is not an event to happen at a particular time. Atma darshanam, don't literally translate. It is not an event to happen at a particular time. You have to understand Atma, I am now, here itself. Siddha Vastu. This is called moksha. I am Nitya Atma Swarupam. I am ever Atma Sarupam. I was Atma, I am Atma, I ever will be Atma. People not knowing this, understanding that nothing else is required other than understanding for moksha. Swamiji used these words. Understanding what? Nothing else is required other than understanding. This is called moksha. Understand. Jnanadevat kaivalyam annar. Jnananda varaname tavara, through meditation or some sadhana or other, you are not going to get Atma. You recognize, you discover, understand. Understand about Atma. What is Sat? What is Chit? What is Ananda? What is this? All these are three are one and the same. Am I Sat? Am I Chit? Am I Ananda? How? Understanding only, nothing else. Moksha means for many people is an event. It happens either Vaikuntha or Kailasa or some other meditation hall. It happens. I sit 4 hours for meditation and I absorb, I forget, I go where? Good sleep, deep sleep, you go there. People think like that. It's not right. Understand. Puriyalena. Study again, repeatedly, understand. Ekagrata nirodhaha moodhaihi abhyasyate bhrisham. All these practices only we also encourage. For what, you know? to listen in the class with focusing mind. Karma yoga for chitta shuddhi, upasana yoga for ekagrata. Reasonably your mind is available for listening enough. More than that, they cannot do anything. Na karmana na prajaya dhanena na karmana. That's what he is going to say next shloka. Now you see the second line. Whereas dhiraha suptavat swapade sthitaha. Dhiraha means here wise people. Dhiraha suptavat, abiding in their own nature, like a person in sleep. Like a person in sleep. எல்லாமே ஒரே two extremities his teaching is. ரொம்ப அப்படியே ஃபஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கு பேசுகிறார் அவர். ஓகே, லைக் எ பர்சன் ஹூ இஸ் எஸ்லீப் சுப்தவத். சுப்தவத்துன்னா ஸ்லீப்பிங் பர்சன் எங்கே எப்படி இருப்பான்? நோ டென்ஷன், நோ ஆங்ஸைட்டி, நோ வர்ரி, ஸோ ட்ராங்குவில், அபைடிங் இன் ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம். ஸ்லீப்பிங் பர்சன் இஸ் அபைடிங் இன் ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம். அவன் எப்படியோ இவள் அப்படி இருப்பார். அவன் தூங்குறவன் மாதிரி. அவர் மூஞ்சி பாருங்க, தூங்குறவன் மூஞ்சி எப்படி இருக்கும்? பிரசாந்தமாக இருக்கும். இவர் அப்படி தான் இருப்பார். பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் தட் ஞானம். வாட் ஆர் த 5 capsules? I am the all-pervading eternal consciousness. I enliven the matter, body and the world. I am not affected by them. I am the source of happiness, peace, ananda. If I forget my real nature, life is miserable. If I remember my real nature, life is an entertainment. இதே சுவாமிஜி 10 நிமிஷம் சொல்லுவார். திருப்பி 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 சொல்லுவார். ஒரு வார்த்தை அப்படியே. அதே இது அவ்வளோ இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் இந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே. ஆமாம், நித்யா சர்வகதா. I the consciousness enlivens the matter, whole matter. This also. Whole matter it. What about your body? I am the source of peace, happiness, security. Not house, children are the source of happiness. I am the source of happiness. If I remember this, then no sorrow. If I forget this, life is MBBS. Okay. Dhiraha, MBBS ஞாபகம் இருக்கும்? எல்லாம் ஞாபகம் இருக்கும். கிருஷ்ணம் ந பசியந்தி. கிருஷ்ணம் மீன்ஸ் எனிதிங். கிருத்தியம் ந பசியந்தி. கிருத்தியம் என்ன? டு பி டன். தே won't see anything to be done. டு பி டன் ಅನ್ನது டன்னு தான். ஓகே, டு பி டன் ಅನ್ನது கிடையாது. அது சும்மா நடந்து இருக்கிற நடக்கட்டுமே. என்னதான் நடக்கும், நடக்கட்டுமே அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ரிலாக்ஸாக இருப்பார். கிருத்தியம் ந பசியந்தி. ஜஸ்ட் ஆஸ் அ ஸ்லீப்பிங் பர்சன் நெவர் சி எனிதிங் டு பி டன். See how to understand this, be careful. There is no inside pressure. avladha. There is no inside pressure. He does, but she does, but there is no pressure inside. கிருஷ்ணர் எப்படி இருக்கார்? பண்ணிட்டாரா இல்லையா? பண்ணும்போது there is no pressure. They do, but no pressure inside. Na krityam pashyanti suptavat, like a sleeping person. He is a sleeping person, this gnani. Suptavat nu sonnare yani suptaha nu sollale. Is like a sleeping person, not sleeping. Like a sleeping person, just as he is so tranquil, peaceful, nothing seeing to be done, this person is also so tranquil, so happy, relaxed, in spite of the things to be done, as though they are, is not worry about them. அந்த அளவுக்கு ரிலாக்ஸேஷன். அப்பா எப்படிதான் இருக்குமா అని தோணும் நமக்கு. வரும், அந்த நாளும் வந்துடாதோ, கண்டிப்பாக வரும். திஸ் இஸ் த வேதாந்திக் அப்ரோச். There is no mind control, reasonable shama dhamma acquire to sit in the class 1 hour steadily. That's enough. More than that, mind control ನಮಗೆ தேவையில்லை. Okay, next shloka we will read. Shloka 34. Aprayatnat prayatnadva मूढ़ो नाप्नोति निर्वृतिम् तत्त्वनिश्चयमात्रेण प्राज्ञो भवति निर्वृतः. Same idea he continues. Moodhaha. First line for moodha, second line for amudhaha. Okay. Moodhaha, the ignorant person. Ignorant of what? Self-ignorance. Atma ajnanam eva malam. People say, I am very pure person. Enna pure? You have Atma ajnanam, no? You are the most impure person. Now tell me, who is a pure person? Speaking truth, by that you are not a pure person. Relative purity. That's not absolute purity. Ganga is the purifier. You see the water, Ganga water. Because there is invisible punya it gives, that is why we are taking that bath, Ganga water bath. Many people won't enter into Ganga. Dirty. The most dirtiest river in the world now is Ganga. We won't see that. But Ganga, there is invisible punyam in taking bath in that. Jnanam is the pavitranam pavitramyo mangalanam cha mangalam. Jnanam is the highest purifier. Rajavidya rajaguhyam pavitramidam uchyate. 9th chapter. Pavitram. And now what you are doing? You are dipping in jnanam. You are purifying yourself. What is dipping? Your intellect. Which intellect is with malam, is called Atma Ajnanam, self-ignorance. I am Atma. That ignorance is there, it is called malam. Until we get Jnanam, we have malam, impurity. Evvada laksu potti tochalum kuda, perfume pottalum kuda, impure da, malam. Therefore, what is real purity? Atma Jnanam. Bhasmasat kurute tadha. It purifies like anything. That's why Jnani is compared to a pavitram. Pavitranam pavitram. There is nothing equal to Jnani in the world. Because Jnani is one who is above bodily impurities, mental impurities, intellectual confusions. Therefore, he is the most purest person. That's why we have to understand Moodhahanna, the one who has got Ajnana Malam anartham. What is Moodha? Moha Sambandhi Moodam. Muhyate iti Moodhaha, who is deluded because of self-ignorance. What he does, Moodhaha, aprayatnat prayatnadva. By putting effort or not putting effort, by taking effort, prayatna effort, effortlessly or with effort. Aprayatnat means effortlessly, prayatnat means with effort. Nirvritim na apnoti, by mind control, by sense control. Nirvritim means moksha. Nirvriti means peace, moksha, na apnoti, he will not attain. He will not attain. The sloka tells, Sampado naiva sampadaha, vipado naiva vipadaha. Sampad samsmaranam Vishnoho, vipad vismaranam Harehe. Richness is not richness. Sampado naiva sampadaha. Sampado naiva sampadaha. Richness, prosperity is not prosperity. Vipado naiva vipadaha. Adversity is not an adversity. Vipada means apat. Danger, when danger comes, it is not a danger. It is not an adversity. Then what is real prosperity? What is real adversity? Real prosperity is Sampat Samsmaranam Vishnu. Remembering the Lord is Sampada. If you take in religious angle, remembering the Lord Vishnu is Sampada, Ekarupa, Anekarupa. Now we are studying Ashtavakra Gita. Then what do we have to take? You have to fill up Arupa. Vishnu means Sarvam Veveshti Atma Rupena iti Vishnu. Sampada, if you want a richest person, remember that you are the Atma Swarupam. Arupa, Rupa Rahita Atma Ahamasmi, in this body as awarer, consciousness. I am. Sampada Samsmaranam Atma Swarupam. Vishnu ka adida artham, philosophical artham. சர்வம் வேவேஷ்டி, எல்லாமே பரவிண்டிருக்கிறவன் எவர்? ஆத்மா. அந்த ஆத்மான்னு நினைச்சுண்டே நான் 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 அப்படியே இருக்கிறது தான் சம்பதை. நாட் பில்கேட்ஸ், நாட் எனி அதர் ரிச்சஸ்ட் பர்சன் இன் த வேர்ல்ட். விபத் விஸ்மரணம் ஹரேஹே. விபதா மீன்ஸ் adversity, means forgetting. If I forget my real nature, life is miserable. அதுதான் விபத் விஸ்மரணம். விஸ்மரணம் மீன்ஸ் forgetting is danger, ஆபத, விபத்து of whom? ஹரேஹே. Hari means what? Harati papani sarvam. The one who takes away our papams. Who? Bhagavan. Which Bhagavan? ஏகரூப பகவான், அநேக ரூப பகவான் நமக்கு என்ன கொடுப்பாரு? சித்த சுத்தி, ஏகாகிரதா கொடுத்து அப்புறம் he removes all sanchita papa by giving gnanam. Harati papani, harati ajnanam. அது philosophical apply பண்ணிக்கணும். This sloka is familiar for all of you, maximum many of you. So convert that sloka into philosophical way. Arupa Ishvara Jnanena, Arupa Brahma Jnanena. Who is that Brahma? Aham. If I don't say Aham Brahma, Brahman, adi Brahma. It is a Brahma. If I look outside, it is a Brahma. If I look inside also Brahma. No looking. Looking forward and children, yeah. I am looking forward for your letter. I am looking forward. I am looking. Gnani ki there is no looking forward. There is no second real thing to look forward. I am the Atman. What is there to look forward? Ellame fake what? Tiger, paper tiger madri, rajju sarpa madri. Okay, poinde irupom. Prayatnadva aprayatnadva moodaha nirvritim na apnoti. However much you do sadhana, I want to get moksha, I want to get moksha, you can never get moksha by any amount of karma, rituals, upasana, meditation. He says tattva nischaya matrena. Very important. Tattva nischaya matrena, only by. Matrena means only by. Tattva nischaya. Tattva means satyam in artham. Atma, the reality. Shravana manana nididhyasana dvara eva. Tattva nischaya means mahavakya vichara. How? And not on your own. Aham brahmasmi, soham brahma ante varadappa. Class ku pohanu. You have to sit in front of the teacher for a length of time. Fortunately and unfortunately, I do not know. Nowadays, everything is available in internet. CDs are available everywhere. And people, ஒரு சாதனம் கிடையாது, ஒரு அனுஷ்டானம் கிடையாது, ஒன்றுமே கிடையாது, குரு கைடன்ஸு கிடையாது. அவர் எங்கேயோ இருப்பார், நான் சீடி மாத்திரம் போட்டுன்னு கேட்டுட்டே இருப்பேன்மா. அப்படி இருக்கு இப்படி நிலைமை, இப்போ நிலைமை. This is the present condition. Without any guru's guidance, direct guidance, very, very toughest task. You have to rapport with the guru. Compulsory. You require tremendous refinement. You may become scholar by listening to CDs. You may become scholar by listening or seeing in the TV or listening from the internet. How many lectures are available, you know? உனக்கு டைமே இருக்காது கேட்கணும், அத்தனை இருக்கு. I will tell you, nothing will work. This is sure. Remember, you have to undergo lot of refinement under the guidance of a guru. Requires tremendous. People have no opportunity. Guru is not available. That's why they are listening. What to do? There is no guru availability. Nobody is there to teach directly, systematically. That's why something is better than nothing. They are listening. But not when the guru is available, we should not make use of them. That is not right. Therefore, tattva nischaya. Nischaya is important. Confirm, conviction, matrena. Prajnaha bhavati nirvrataha. Prajnaha means here viveki. Prajnaha, the viveki, the intelligent one. Here, prajnaha means jnani. If you take, there is no question of nirvrataha bhavati. Jnani getting moksha and varakuda adillaya. But prajnaha means what you have to take? A viveki, sadhana chatushtaya sampannaha. A one who is listening to Shastra systematically, reading the notes, before coming to the class or after going home, again, what I have received, contemplating upon that. Is this statement the Swamini is telling? How is this? My intellect has to convince with that statement. That should be there. Prajnaha, that viveki sadhana chatushtaya sampannaha nirvrataha bhavati. Tattva nischaya matrena. By studying Shastra from a teacher for a length of time, then nirvrataha bhavati means he becomes shantaha, muktaha. Therefore, shanti, mukti both are not different. Both are not different. Why? Shantam Shivam Advaitam Chaturtham Manyante Sa Atma Sa Vigneyaha. Atma Swarupam is Shanta Swarupam. Therefore, there is no Shanti in the mind. As long as mind is there, Shanti, Ashanti both will come and go. That is a relative Shanti. That is not absolute Shanti. So, therefore, never work for mental peace. Okay. Mental mind la peace vardangarde varum po. Don't work for that. Don't struggle. After Jnanam also, Ashanti will be there in the mind. Because body, climate, atmosphere, things are there. You cannot stop. Then what for Swamini to come to class? Manasyanti kadane. மனசுல சாந்தங்கிறது கிடையாதுன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கா? I am coming to the Ashtavakra Gita class to understand there is no permanent shanti in the mind. It is like a kudarai kombu, muyil kombu madri. It is not there. It is not possible. Oxymoron சொல்லுவா. அதெல்லாம் கிடையாதுப்பா. So reasonable peace of mind is because of Shastra studies, okay. But how long, if you see any situation, where it goes out, go on, whole thing. But for a Jnani, never. Even in any trivial adverse situation also, crisis also is the witnesser of the crisis. The crisis is going in the mind, watching like a TV. Oh, ippadi irukkiya iniki. Oh, mind, you are like this today. Yesterday you were like that. Today you are like this. Tomorrow I don't know how you are going to be. That is the situation of a Jnani. Never, neighborizing, no? Neighborization. Therefore, never wait for total peace of mind. I am the witnesser of the mind which has got temporary peace, temporary sorrow. Sorrow also temporary. Our sorrow also permanent. How many times sorrow has come? How many times it has gone? How many times our sukha has come? Happy timings. How many times they have gone? அதுக்காக எதுக்கு ஸ்ட்ரகிள் பண்ணணும்? 50 வருஷம் ஸ்ட்ரகிள் பண்ணிட்டோம், இனிமேல் வரப்போறதா என்ன? 50 years, 60 years we have struggled. What? Sukha coming? Ayaram? Gayaram. துக்க கமிங், ஆயாரம் கயாரம். 50 வருஷம் முடியாது காரியம் போய். அப்புறம் ஒரு 20 years 30 yearsல சாஸ்திரா சேஸ் டோன்ட் வேஸ்ட் யுவர் டைம், டிஸ்டன்ஸ் யுவர் மைண்ட். Distance your mind means falsify the mind. It is a matter. This is called jnanam. This is called knowledge. Not controlling the mind sitting in meditation. You are suspending ajnana mind. Ignorant mind you are tung and cholli. We are making it sleep by nirodha. That's why yogic way of approach we never accept. What we say, tattva nischaya matrena prajnaha nirvrutaha bhavati. Next shloka. Shuddham buddham priyam purnam nishprapancham niramayam आत्मानं तं न जानन्ति तत्राभ्यासपराजनाः. Now second line he goes to the other side. Janaha tatra, in this world, janaha तत्र अभ्यासपराः आत्मानं न जानन्ति. अभ्यासपराः means paraha means committed to all the time. What? Japam. All going to temple or meditation. ఏదో ఒన్ను ఇల్లన్నా 2-3 ఏదో 1 or 2 practices. అభ్యాసపరాహ, అష్టాంగ యోగా, so much of practice. Pranayama, so many hours they do practice. Or they do lot of snanams in every river. They do go on dipping and Rameshwaram. So many ghattams are there, no 28 30 ಎಲ್ಲ போய் டுக்கு தண்ணி ஊத்திட்டு ஏதோ ஒரு அபியாச. Different abhyasas. They never give their ear to Shastra. இல்லைன்னா ஜாலரை போட்டுட்டே பயணம் பண்ணுவான், இல்லைன்னா பாடிண்டே இருப்பான், ஏதோ ஒன்று பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பான். அவனுக்கு புரிஞ்சது எது பிடிக்குமோ அது பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பான். அபியாசபராக. அவனுக்கு காதில் ஒரு வார்த்தை கூட ஏறாது. என்ன பிஸி, டைமே இருக்கு இல்லையா, so busy. So loudly they chant, loudly they do practice, they loudly or mentally so no go on and on. Abhyasaparaha atmanam na jananti. என்ன அபியாசம் மூலமா ஆத்மா தெரியுமா? என்ன எப்படிதான் தெரியும் ஆத்மா? ஆத்மா தெரியறது என்ன சுவாமினி? ஆத்மா பார்க்கணுமே. என்ன ஆத்மான்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கோப்பா, பார்க்க வேண்டாம், பார்க்க முடியாது. என்ன ஏன் பார்க்க முடியாது? Why can't you see Atma? Fortunately or unfortunately, Atma happens to be myself. Aprameyaha swaprakasha mano vachama gochara. Therefore understand. Don't waste your time. Ippiravi tappinal adi solradhu bayam. Shuddham buddham priyam purnam nishprapancham niramayam atmanam na jananti. Atma is not an object to look outside. It is Shuddham, pure. Buddham, ever consciousness. Buddha means consciousness. Shuddham means a pure consciousness. Shuddha Chaitanyam. Priyam, na? It is always Priyam. I love myself. Atma kamaha akamaha bhavati. You desire for Atma, all desires will vanish. You desire Atma, all desires will vanish. Anartham, Atma kamaha apta kamaha. The one who is the desire of Atma is apta kamaha, means all his desires as good as fulfilled. Therefore akamaha, desireless. What is there to desire? Ella anatma dane. என்ன டிசைர் பண்ண முடியும்? பொய்யான ஒரு மேட்டருக்காக டிசைர் பண்ணுவா? பண்ண மாட்டான். ஆத்ம காமஹா ஆப்த காமஹா அகாமஹா. Therefore, there is nothing missing in that. Buddham priyam பூர்ணம், கம்ப்ளீட், பூர்ண, அறக்குறை கிடையாது. ஓகே, ஒரு வாட் பூர்ணமத பூர்ணமிதம் கிளாஸ் ஆகலை, இன்னும் இருக்கு. See, this Atma is your nature. Atman nature நினைக்காதுங்க. Shastra says tatu tvam asi, you are that Paramatma. Atman means you are Shuddham. You means which you? Higher or lower? Higher I. Not apara prakriti body sariram. Higher I, OC, Shuddham. When Guru says you are Shuddham, Sushya says what? I am pure. I am consciousness. I am complete. I am Puranaha. I am the Priya means Ananda. Shuddham, Buddham, Priya means Sattu, Chittu, Ananda. Nishprapancham. There is no prapancha in him, in Atma. Nishprapancham prapanchate prapanchopashamaha shantam shivam advaitam. எவனுக்கு பிரபஞ்சமே தெரியாதோ அப்பன்னா அவர் குருடன். பிரபஞ்சம் தெரியாதுன்ன குருடன் இல்லைப்பா, பிரபஞ்சம் உண்மை இல்லைன்னு தெரியும் அவருக்கு. பிரபஞ்சம் உண்மையா இல்லை, apparently, seemingly appear. It cannot disturb me. நிஷ்பிரபஞ்சம், நிராமயம். ஆமயம்னு டிசீஸ், வியாதி, ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ். ஆமயம்னு ஆல் பெயின்ஸ். இன் மீ தி ஆத்மா there are no pains at all. கால் வலிக்கிறது இப்போ, I am having pain because sitting. In me, ஆமயம் is not there. என்ன காலுக்கா? Not for காலு. For me, the Atma who is witnessing the kaal pain. I, the witnesser of the kaal pain, is free from pain. Niramayaha. Niramayam. Next shloka. Shloka 36. Napnoti karmana moksham vimudhobhyasarupinam dhanyo vijnanamatreణ muktistishthatya vikriyah. Continuation 35-36. Here the who are all abhyasaparaha shuddham buddham priyam niramayam nishprapancham atmanam na jananti. Why? Karmana moksham na apnoti. Abhyasa comes under karma. Kaika karma va, vachika karma va, manasa karma va. Karma eva. Dhyanam api karma only. Karmana moksham na apnoti. No one can attain moksha. Vimudhaha abhyasa rupina. These dull-witted people who are struggling in abhyasa. Dukran karane. Struggling to by heart the slokas. What? Bhagavad Gita. Struggling to by heart Upanishads. Struggling to by heart Stotramala. Why you are struggling? And the struggle is Mahavakya Vicharam Pandalam Illiyo. Don't waste unnecessary struggle. Kanta bottom by heart. Venda. That is why Ingeda Vedanta class is the best. Yena onnume panna venda. ஏற்கனவே பண்ணுறதில்லை சுவாமினி, இங்கே வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் நீங்கள் ரொம்ப கெட்டு போகிறோம், ஏன்னா ஒன்றும் பண்ணாமல் என்ன கிளாஸுக்கு வரணும். ஆமாம், கிளாஸுக்கு வந்து உட்காரணும், அவ்வளோதான். உட்காரணுன்னா கேட்கணும். ஓகே. விமூடா அபியாசரூபிணா ந ஜானந்தி. அங்கே கனெக்ஷன். ஆத்மானம் ந ஜானந்தி. whereas dhanyaha, who is dhanyaha, fortunate, blessed one, vijnana matrena muktihi tishtati avikriyaha. Vijnana matrena, by going to Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday classes, vijnana matrena, by understanding. Ada vijnanamanna understanding. How many books you have studied is not the question. How much you are understanding, internalizing. Vijnana, and the matrena underline பண்ணிக்கோங்க. No abhyasa, அபியாசாஸ் ஆர் ஓன்லி ஃபார் சித்தசுத்தி, சித்த ஏகாகிரதா. அதுக்கப்புறம் யூ ஹாவ் டு கம் டு கிளாஸ். முக்தி முக்திஹி திஷ்டதி அவிக்ரியா. அவிக்ரியா மீன்ஸ் வித்தவுட் எனி ஆக்ஷன். ஐ ஆம் ஆக்ஷன்லெஸ் ஆத்மா அப்படின்னு ஆக்ஷன் பண்ண மாட்டாரான்னு. ஐ ஆம் ஆக்ஷன்லெஸ் ஆத்மா, ஹி ரிமைன்ஸ் ஆஸ் ஹி ரிமைன்ஸ். அவிக்ரியா முக்தஹ. முக்தஹ திஷ்டதி, முக்தஸ்திஷ்டதி. முக்தஹ மீன்ஸ் லிபரேட்டட் பர்சன், வைஸ் பர்சன் ரிமைன்ஸ். ஆஃப்டர் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் என்ன பண்ணணும் சுவாமினி? ஒன்றும் பண்ண வேண்டாம். லிசன், மோர் அண்ட் மோர் லிசன். ஸ்ரவண பௌன புண்ணியேன ஸ்ரவணம் குர்யாத். புனः புனः ஸ்ரவணம் குரு. லிசன் மோர் அண்ட் மோர். பூர்ணமதः பூர்ணமிதம் பூர்ணாத் பூர்ணமுதச்யதே பூர்ணஸ்ய பூர்ணமாதாய பூர்ணமேவாவசிஷ்யதே. ஓம் சாந்தி சாந்தி சாந்தி. ஹரிः ஓம். ஸ்ரீ குருभ्यो நமः. ஹரிः ஓம்.